I had to clean my box out with a stick. I had to fish the bag out of my box with a stick. I think that was the best line I've heard in my life yet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here, Jesse on the camera, and tonight we have the Vanquish H10 optics on the bench. In the last video, we just finished doing a whole bunch of upgrades to Jesse's. We did the very cool blue K&K limit straps on the shocks, which work awesome, fantastic on them. They feel great. The shocks on these rides feel really nice too. Like, actually don't clap right to the bottom when you drop them. So really nice setup. We got the sway bar on the rear. We've got the Hobbywing Fusion brushless 1800 kV motor in there. And we bumped up the gearing to the 1752, I think, on the pinion and the spur. Now we've done that to both the trucks. Let's go out and hit the trail. Okay guys, so quick trail review after we got back with the buggies. A very limited time we had before we got rained out today. They handle very well. They handle like any of the other Vanquish vehicles with the VFD transmission, with that nice low forward motor weight, with having your motor tucked up right there. They crest over, they pull the front end down, you can crawl something up, they lean back, you let off the throttle, they'll lean back in. That's kind of a trait of the Vanquish vehicles that we've kind of noticed and that we've come to love on them. So they drive like a Vanquish vehicle. They got a lot of Vanquish vibe going on to them. Plastic's a little squishy and stuff like that, but it's the type of buggy they are, so who cares? Matte detail, looking great right now. We have a few more options and mods coming for this guy right away, so stay tuned for that. We're going to throw a winch in it. We're going to throw a few other mods, some wheels. I think we're going to keep our tires stock on these for a while and get some good heavy braking on them and then kind of see where they go. There's nothing wrong with them. They're a great tire. So even today, when there's a shot, I think, where I was taking this guy, shooting up a rock and spinning the tires going up, pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. They had good control. They didn't like all of a sudden just hook and send the truck into a massive backflip and stuff, so they had a good feel to them. Like, I could spin them, I could get them to hook when I wanted. Things that, you know, not having the stickiest, softest tire is not always a win, you know what I mean, right? That makes sense. So anyhow, definitely run out, grab yourself one or two of these. Remember, we did switch our cages if you didn't watch the beginning of the video, so these trucks are not in their true form right now. The gray one came with the black, blah, 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 so just remember that as you go forward on them. That's why they look so damn good. So go buy yourself two, swap them over, sell the other one, and we'll see you on the next video.